Occasionally, people have problems with annotations in their charts not showing up properly. And while there can be a variety of different reasons for this, one that is not immediately obvious on looking at the chart, but is always a good thing to check, is whether you accidentally have a repeat without a border in your chart. So just look at this chart. We've got 12 columns of knit stitches to begin with and decreasing to 10 and then 8 stitches in each round. And the annotations will show you how many repeated stitches you have. So if I add a purl stitch, we now only have 10 knit stitches preceded by a purl stitch. So the annotation has changed to 10 and it moved along so that it's in the middle of those 10 stitches. So our round 6 has no annotation, and there's nothing in the chart as you look at it or in the output text that suggests why that would be the case. But as I mentioned, there may be a hidden repeat in your chart that is not shown up because it doesn't have a border added. So the easiest way to find out if that is the case is to use the selection tool using the little drop down menu arrow and either select all repeats, or if you have multiple charts or you are working with a big chart and you only want to focus on a particular area, then you can select a group of stitches and then select all repeats in selection. So I'm going to go ahead and use select all repeats, and immediately we get this little working toolbar around the stitches to show that actually there is a repeat there that has no border on it. So we then want to remove that repeat. So what you want to do is to select the stitches that are relevant, and either you can select all of the stitches in the row or just the stitches themselves using the arrow select tool. So if I have forgotten exactly where it starts and ends, I might click on the first one, hold down my shift button, and then select any way beyond where the repeat actually was, and then come to repeat in the main menu, remove all repeats from stitches in selection, and there we see that our 10 annotation appears just as the other rows.